Okay, let's just dive right in. Look, almost every single business has a website, but here's the real question. Is yours actually working for you? Today, we're going to break down how to plan a website that doesn't just sit there looking pretty. It actually makes you money. This is, without a doubt, one of the biggest hurdles businesses face, so let's figure this out together. And boom, this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? This is the trap so many people fall into. You spend a ton of money on a gorgeous design, you hit that launch button feeling so excited, and then nothing. Just crickets. All that work, all that investment, for what? This one sentence is the key to why that happens, and it's the exact problem we are going to solve right now. We call this the beautifully broken website, and I bet this story sounds familiar. You've poured your heart, your time, and your money into it. You're actually proud of how it looks, but it's just not bringing in the leads or the sales you desperately need. It's so frustrating, but here's the good news. It is absolutely fixable. And this is what we see over and over and over again. When you jump straight to picking out colors and cool fonts without having a rock-solid plan for what you want your visitors to actually do, you end up with a digital piece of art. And you know what? That's great, but it's not a sales tool. The hard truth is, it doesn't convert because it was never really built to convert in the first place. So to fix this, we have to totally rethink what a website's job even is. This next part is all about a huge, fundamental shift in mindset. It's about learning to see your site not as some passive online brochure, but as an active 24/7 sales channel that works for you even when you're sleeping.
I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day. On the left, you've got the static brochure. You know the type, pages get added whenever, the text was a complete afterthought, and honestly, visitors land there, get confused, and just leave. But on the right, the living sales channel is a completely different beast. It has purpose. It's structured with a clear intention to guide every single person who visits towards a specific action, turning them from a random click into a real lead.
So how do we make that jump from a dusty old brochure to a powerful sales channel? Well, this right here, this is the real turning point. If you take away only one single thing from our chat today, please make it this. This one idea will change literally everything about how you look at your website from now on.
And there it is. So simple, but so powerful. Plan it like a funnel, not a flyer. Just think about that for a second. What's a flyer? It's something you hand out and just hope for the best. It's totally passive. But a funnel? A funnel is a journey. It's a system. It's designed to capture a wide audience at the top and then guide them, step by step, down a very specific path to one valuable goal at the bottom.
Okay, thinking like a funnel is a great concept, right? But how in the world do you actually build it? It's not just theory, it's a very practical process. So now, let's get into the weeds. Here's the actionable, step-by-step blueprint you can use to plan a website that actually converts. So here's the game plan. Step 1, and this is by far the most important, start with the outcome. Seriously, before you do anything else, you have to define what a win looks like. Is it a phone call? A booked appointment? Someone filling out your contact form? If you don't know the destination, there's no way you can draw the map. Step 2, map the user journeys. Not everyone who visits your site is looking for the same thing. A brand new prospect needs different info than a loyal customer. You need to think about who's coming, what they want, and create a clear, simple path for them to get it. Step 3, outline before you design. This is so critical. You have to resist that temptation to jump into the pretty stuff. Build the skeleton first, a simple wireframe, and write the actual words, the copy, that will do the selling. The design's job is to support the message, not the other way around. Step 4, optimize from day one. Please don't treat things like SEO and analytics like some add-on you'll get to later. They have to be baked in from the very beginning. Think of it like a house. It's way easier to build on a strong foundation than to try and jack up the house to add one later. And finally, step 5, review and simplify. Go back through your entire plan and just cut things out. Be ruthless. Every extra click, every confusing sentence, every unnecessary field in a form, it costs you customers. Your one and only goal is to make the path from A to B as smooth and easy as humanly possible.
Now, following that blueprint, yeah, it takes a little discipline, but let me tell you, the payoff is absolutely massive. So let's talk about the real-world, tangible results you can actually expect when you commit to putting strategy before design.
And this is exactly why it's worth every bit of effort. First, the actual process of building the website becomes faster and way smoother, because the plan is already set. You're not guessing or doing endless revisions. Second, and this is the big one, You get a much clearer user journey, which directly translates to more leads and inquiries from the moment you go live. And third, everyone on your team, your designer, your writer, your marketer, they're all on the same page, rowing in the same direction. The whole project just works.
So I'm going to leave you with this one simple question. I want you to go look at your own website right now and ask yourself honestly, is this thing a tool that is actively growing my business, or is it just a really beautiful decoration? Because I promise you, the answer to that question changes everything.